Hello everyone, myself B.S.Surannavar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Pashapur. During this session, I am going to discuss about syllabus and question paper pattern of Company Law and Administration subject for BCom first semester as per CBCS syllabus framed by Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. Dear students, first of all, I welcome you all to our Government First Grade College, Pachapur for higher studies. As far as this subject is concerned, it is totally relevant to your previous studies as you have studied in business studies of PUC about various forms of business organizations like sole trading concern, partnership firm, cooperative societies, public companies, private companies, like that. Related to those joint stock companies or public companies, how the business will run smoothly, effectively and efficiently will be learned by you people through this subject. And before going to know what you are going to study under this subject, it is better to know why you are going to study this subject. So let me know the object of studying Company Law and Administration subject. The objective of this course is to enable the students to get familiarized with the existing company law and company administration. As far as the subject is concerned, it has been divided in 5 units. First unit is joint stock companies. Its meaning, definition, features, kinds will be studied here. You also know about public versus private companies, and later on you will come to know about the formation of a company, various steps like promotion stage, incorporation stage, capital subscription stage and commencement stage. In promotion stage, you will know about the meaning of promoter, position of promoter, functions of promoter, and in incorporation stage you will learn about the various steps in incorporation of a company, and you will also know about meaning and contents of memorandum of association and articles of association, which are very important documents in the joint stock companies. And you will also come to know about distinction between memorandum of association and articles of association. And in the third stage, about subscription stage, we will know about the meaning and contents, and you are also going to know about types of prospectus. In commencement stage, you will know how the commencement certificate will be taken by the company, and you will also come to know about the e-filing and certificate of commencement of business. Dear students, in second unit, that is capital of a company, you will know about share capital, meaning of shares, kinds of shares, equity versus preference shares, debentures, meaning, features and types of shares, and meaning, features and types of debentures, SEBI guidelines for issue of shares and debentures, types of issue of shares, concepts only, and you will also come to know about the new term book building process. Throughout this unit, you will come to know the perfect idea about how the capital of the company will be contributed, what the procedures are to be followed, right? And as far as the third unit is concerned, is a very important unit, that is key personnel and administration. Here you will come to know about the various key managerial personnels like managing director, whole-time directors, company secretary, chief financial officer, resident director, and independent director. And you also come to know about the auditor and his appointment, his powers, his duties and responsibilities. In this chapter, one more important thing you will learn, that is managing director's appointment, his powers, his duties and responsibilities. The other interesting thing here is audit committee and CSR committee, that is corporate social responsibility committee. And the most important thing you have to learn here is company secretary, meaning qualification, appointment, duties and liabilities. And in fourth unit, we'll come to know about the structure and administration of global companies. Here, meaning, types, features, legal formalities, administration and ethical practices in company administration will be known under this unit. And the last unit and the important unit here is corporate meetings. Here you will come to know about meaning and definition, requisites of a valid meeting, types of meeting, statutory meeting, annual general meeting, extraordinary general meeting, board meetings, and you will also come to know about the resolutions, its meaning and types and secretary's duties in relation to these meetings. So dear students, as far as this subject is concerned, it is a totally interesting and important from your career point of view also. By studying this subject, you will get definitely an motivation for company secretaryship. You can get an attempt for that also, right? And as far as study of this subject is concerned, you can refer these books. Here I can quote that the Principles of Company Law of M.C. Shukla and Gulshan is a very good book. You can go through this book. Dear students, as far as the question paper model is concerned, this is for 80 marks theory paper and 20 marks of internal assessment marks. For theory marks at the semester end, you will have 4 sections. Section A for 20 marks, 10 questions. You have to attempt 10 questions for 2 marks each out of 12 questions. And in section B, there will be 4 questions, of which you have to attempt 3 questions, per question 5 marks each. And in section C, you have to attempt 2 questions out of 4, which carrying 15 marks each. And in section D, it is a compulsory question. It is based on usually case study or the problem. 2 questions will be given. Of that, you have to attempt 1 question. So dear students, you have to be ready for learning such interesting and enjoyable subject. Thank you. Thank you for patience listening.